everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, and I'm going to do this makeup look using affordable makeup products. So for a flawless makeup, skin prep is must. So first step in my skincare is toner. I use this Milky toner from Chemist. I like to spray it on my face. I use my fingers to gently tap on my skin. This toner deeply hydrates my skin and also it makes my skin look soft and plump. Next step is sunscreen. I use this Quench sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important in your skincare steps, so you should never skip it. Sunscreen not only protect your skin from getting damaged, but it also helps to prevent pigmentation and uneven texture. This one is so lightweight and doesn't leave the white cast. For the primer, I'm using this Flicka Cosmetic 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer. I'm literally loving this product lately because it's just so good. So it's a pore blurring primer and this smooth out my skin so well. This primer blur out the pores and help your makeup to last long. I really like how it gives a glowy effect to my skin and it's perfect for winter. So next I'm using this orange color corrector from this Inside Cosmetic. I'm only applying the corrector around my mouth and little bit on the areas where I have pigmentation and dark spot, and I'm applying it in very little amount. If you're going to use too much, then you'll end up adding more and more concealer, and at the end it will make your under eye look more cakey. So next step is foundation, and I'm using this Lakme foundation. Firstly, take the foundation on the back of your hand and warm it up nicely and then apply the foundation. So for blending the foundation, I'm using this Mars foundation brush. This brush really helps to apply the foundation very easily and it gives a very skin-like finish. If you don't feel like using a foundation brush, then you can totally skip this part and you can use a beauty blender. Just look at the base, it's looking so beautiful and so flawless, no cakey, and I'm just loving it. Next I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the brightening shade. So far this is the best concealer because it's so affordable and the coverage is medium and it's good for everyday use. I apply the concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and in between my forehead. I spray the setting spray onto my beauty blender and then I like to blend the concealer. So this trick helps the concealer to blend easily and last longer without creasing. Now for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty cream blush. I apply it on the apple of my cheeks and little bit on my nose and also on my chin. This blush is giving my skin a very fresh look. If you want to know the shade name, I'm going to mention it on my description box. For contour, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda contour stick. I'm just contouring my cheeks, jawline and nose. Contouring the face gives you a sculpted look just to enhance your feature, and make sure you blend really well so that it look more natural and not patchy. Now I'm setting my base using the Swiss Beauty loose powder. I focus mainly on T-zone, under eye and smile line. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Mars eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm using this neutral shade as a transition shade and then I'm adding this golden shimmer shade on the center of my eyelid. Next for eyeliner, I'm applying a very thin wing eyeliner and also I'm drawing an inner eyeliner. For filling my eyebrows, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. I'm just filling in the gaps and then I like to brush it so that it look more natural. Now for mascara, I'm using this Swiss Beauty mascara. So I'm applying mascara on my upper lashes and don't forget your lower lash line. For lip combo, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade chocolate brown. So lately I've been obsessed with the brown lip liner, so in my every video you'll find that I'm using a brown lip liner. So today I'm not using any lipstick, I'm using only a clear gloss from Inside Cosmetics. So lastly, I'm adding some powder blush and some highlighter on the tip of my nose and on my cheeks for that glowy effect. Finally locking everything in place with this Swiss Beauty setting spray. This step helps the makeup to last long, and this is the final flawless base makeup look. It's super smooth, long lasting and perfect for any occasion. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.